1940 Buick Special Coupe. Price, $13,500. Location, Canton, Ohio. Here's a beautiful pre-war classic that's ready to be driven and enjoyed. A 1940 Buick Special Coupe. With its elegant body lines and unmistakable Buick styling, this coupe delivers the perfect blend of vintage character and modern reliability. Power comes from Buick's legendary 248 cubic inch straight-eight engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great, making it an excellent choice for weekend cruises, classic car events, or simply enjoying a relaxing drive. To improve everyday usability, this Buick has received several thoughtful upgrades. It's been converted to a 12-volt electrical system, completely rewired, and equipped with working turn signals, a Bluetooth radio, and a new radiator. These improvements make the car more dependable while preserving its classic appearance. The seller also says the car has been restored, features good chrome and stainless trim, and is completely rust-free. Even better, the original seats are included with the sale, giving the next owner the option to maintain its current setup or return it to a more factory-correct look. Located in Canton, Ohio, this 1940 Buick Special Coupe is offered for just $13,500. For a solid, rust-free pre-war coupe with modern reliability upgrades and classic straight-eight power, it's a fantastic opportunity and an excellent value. 1952 Plymouth Cambridge Base. Price, $7,500. Location, Northern Cambria, Pennsylvania. If you're looking for an affordable classic that's ready to enjoy from day one, this 1952 Plymouth Cambridge deserves a serious look. With its timeless post-war styling, dependable engineering, and impressive originality, it's the kind of vintage car that lets you experience the golden age of American motoring without breaking the bank. According to the seller, this Plymouth is truly a turnkey classic. Just hop in, turn the key, and you're ready for your next cruise night, weekend car show, or a relaxing drive through the countryside. It's powered by Plymouth's reliable flathead inline-six engine, paired with the traditional 3-speed manual transmission on the column, delivering the smooth and nostalgic driving experience these cars are known for. The odometer shows just over 41,000 miles, and the seller describes the car as extremely solid throughout. Even more impressive, the original 6-volt electrical system remains fully intact and operational, preserving the authentic character that many collectors appreciate. The dashboard is completely original. Every gauge is reported to be working properly, and the mechanical condition is said to be excellent, with the car starting, running, and driving exactly as it should. Inside, the cabin has been exceptionally well preserved. The seats are free from rips or tears. The headliner still looks almost new, and all of the glass is intact and in excellent condition. It offers a comfortable, welcoming interior that reflects the care this Plymouth has received over the years. 1949 Cadillac Club Coupe Series 62. $65,000. Richmond, Indiana. If you're a fan of classic American luxury, this 1949 Cadillac Club Coupe Series 62 is the kind of car that doesn't come around very often. With only 7,515 fastback coupes ever built, it's one of the rarest and most desirable Cadillacs of the post-war era, combining timeless styling with an important place in automotive history. This particular example received a full frame-off restoration in 2018 and has been brought back to nearly factory original condition. The only modern update is a 12-volt electrical conversion, giving it improved reliability while preserving the authentic character that collectors love. Under the hood sits the original 331 cubic inch V8, paired with Cadillac's legendary 4-speed, hydromatic automatic transmission. This engine wasn't just powerful for its time. It was the first overhead valve V8 produced by General Motors, helping make the 1949 Cadillac the very first recipient of the prestigious Motor Trend Car of the Year award. Finished in a beautiful shade of red with a rich brown interior, this Cadillac looks every bit as elegant today as it did over 7 decades ago. The body is remarkably straight, the paint has an outstanding finish, and even the undercarriage reflects the quality of the restoration. Inside, you'll find factory features including heat and ventilation, a clock, radio, driver's side mirror, stylish fender skirts, and the original spare tire. According to the seller, Everything functions properly except the original radio. Even better, this isn't a classic that's been sitting in storage. The seller recently completed a 3.5-hour road trip without any issues, proving this Cadillac is built to be driven and enjoyed. Smooth, comfortable, and dependable, it's equally at home on the highway or at a weekend car show. 1946 Ford Super Deluxe Flathead V8. Price, $13,900. Location, Conneaut, Ohio. The 1946 Ford Super Deluxe is a true post-war American classic, representing Ford's return to civilian production after World War II. This beautiful four-door sedan is powered by the legendary Flathead V8 paired with a manual transmission, delivering the unmistakable driving experience that has made these cars favorites among collectors for decades. Finished in an elegant gray exterior with a beige interior, this Super Deluxe has remained remarkably original. One of its standout features is the fully functional factory radio, something that's becoming increasingly rare on classic cars of this age. The sale also includes the original owner's manuals, a dealer showroom brochure, and several extra parts, adding even more value for the next owner. According to the seller, the car is in beautiful condition with no significant known issues, making it an excellent choice for weekend cruises, local car shows, or anyone looking to own an authentic piece of American automotive history. 1935 Ford 5-window coupe. Price, $29,000. Location, Chelsea, Michigan. If you're a fan of classic hot rods with timeless styling, this 1935 Ford 5-window coupe is definitely worth a look. Finished in a beautiful burgundy exterior, this iconic pre-war Ford blends vintage character with carefully selected performance upgrades, making it an exciting car for both collectors and drivers. Under the hood is the legendary Flathead V8, enhanced with Offenhauser cylinder heads and an Offenhauser tri-power intake topped with 3 Stromberg 97 carburetors. It's a classic performance setup that not only looks incredible, but also delivers the unmistakable sound and feel that Flathead enthusiasts love. Power is sent through a modern T5 manual transmission paired with a new clutch, giving this coupe a much more comfortable driving experience than the original gearbox. Up front, disc brakes provide improved stopping power, while traditional rear drum brakes help preserve the car's vintage personality. According to the seller, the car has only around 333 miles since its current build and remains exceptionally clean throughout. It has been well cared for and is ready for its next owner to enjoy, whether that's taking it to weekend cruise nights, local car shows, or simply enjoying it on scenic back roads. 1934 Ford Sedan Delivery Street Rod. Price, $59,990. Location, Washington, Michigan. If you're looking for a custom classic that stands out from the crowd, this 1934 Ford Sedan Delivery Street Rod is definitely worth checking out. Built on a genuine steel-bodied factory 2-door sedan delivery, this professionally crafted hot rod combines timeless 1930s styling with modern performance and comfort. Under the hood is a 351 cubic inch Windsor V8 paired with a Ford AOD automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.89 gears. With over 58,000 miles since the build was completed, this street rod has proven itself as a reliable cruiser that's meant to be driven, not just displayed. The driving experience is enhanced with power rack and pinion steering, a Mustang 2 front suspension with adjustable coilover shocks, and power front disc brakes for confident handling. Inside, you'll find vintage air conditioning, power windows and door locks operated by a key fob, a custom stereo system, Stewart Warner gauges, and an Idiot tilt steering column, blending classic style with modern convenience. This unique Ford has also earned recognition in the hot rod community, appearing in multiple hot rod magazines and even featured on the cover of Hotline News magazine. The sale includes a complete build binder filled with restoration photos, manuals, literature, receipts, and even a car cover, documenting the extensive investment that went into creating this exceptional build. Priced at $59,990, this 1934 Ford Sedan Delivery Street Rod is a rare opportunity to own an award-worthy custom that's ready to cruise, show, and enjoy from day one. 1934 Ford Roadster Coupe. Price, $44,500. Location, Oak Harbor, Ohio. The 1934 Ford Roadster Coupe is one of the most recognizable hot rod platforms ever created, and this custom-built example blends timeless pre-war styling with the comfort and reliability of modern performance. If you've always wanted a classic that turns heads without demanding constant maintenance, this one checks a lot of boxes. It's important to note that this Roadster features a fiberglass body rather than the original steel construction. That makes it lighter, easier to maintain, and a popular choice among hot rod enthusiasts looking for improved drivability while keeping the iconic 1934 Ford appearance. Under the hood is a 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 that's been bored .20 over, giving it a little extra punch while maintaining the unmistakable character of Ford's classic engine. Power is sent through a dependable C4 automatic transmission equipped with a locker shifter, making every drive smooth, relaxed, and enjoyable whether you're cruising through town or heading to a weekend car show. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. This Roadster comes equipped with vintage air climate control, allowing you to enjoy the car even on warm summer days. Power windows add everyday convenience, while the upgraded sound system lets you enjoy your favorite music without taking away from the vintage atmosphere. Underneath, the chrome front and rear suspension components give the car a clean, show-quality appearance that complements the rich burgundy exterior. Inside, the gray interior provides a tasteful contrast, creating a classic look that feels both stylish and comfortable. 1949 Pontiac Streamliner Deluxe. Price: $22,500. Location: Smithfield, Pennsylvania. The 1949 Pontiac Streamliner Deluxe is the kind of classic that collectors dream about, and this example stands out for one incredible reason. It's showing just 8,000 original miles. Finding a post-war American sedan with mileage this low and in such well-preserved condition is exceptionally rare. Under the hood is Pontiac's legendary straight-eight engine, paired with its original 3-speed manual transmission on the column. Together, they deliver the smooth, effortless driving experience that made Pontiac one of America's most respected automakers during the late 1940s. What makes this Streamliner truly special is that it isn't a restored car trying to recreate the past. According to the seller, it's an authentic survivor that has been carefully preserved throughout its life. The body still displays its elegant factory styling, while the chrome and trim remain in beautiful condition. Inside, the remarkably well-kept interior reflects the car's incredibly low mileage and careful ownership. 1936 Ford Deluxe. Price: $32,500. Location: North Canton, Ohio. The 1936 Ford Deluxe is one of the most iconic pre-war American classics ever built, and this beautifully customized humpback sedan takes that legendary design and combines it with the comfort, reliability, and performance of a modern street rod. It's the perfect blend of vintage style and everyday drivability. This car has undergone a complete body-off-frame restoration, completed just 5 years ago, and according to the seller, it has traveled fewer than 2,000 miles since the build was finished. Even better, the underside is said to be just as clean as the exterior, reflecting the level of craftsmanship that went into this project. Under the hood sits a dependable Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's a proven drivetrain that's known for reliability, smooth performance, and easy maintenance, making this Ford just as enjoyable on long highway cruises as it is around town. Driving has also been significantly upgraded. It features electric power steering for effortless maneuvering, power front disc brakes for confident stopping power, and a Mustang 2 front suspension that delivers a smoother, more controlled ride than the original setup. A dual exhaust system gives the V8 a deep, unmistakable sound without overpowering the car's refined personality. Inside, you'll find thoughtful upgrades that make this classic feel surprisingly modern. Stewart Warner gauges provide accurate instrumentation, while a locker shifter, tilt steering column, and factory-style crank-out windshield preserve the vintage atmosphere with added convenience. Heat makes cooler weather driving more enjoyable, and seat belts for both the front and rear passengers offer an extra level of safety without taking away from the car's classic appearance. Finished in an elegant green exterior over a tan interior, this 1936 Ford Deluxe has the timeless styling that made these cars famous while offering the confidence to drive it whenever the opportunity arises. Priced at $32,500 in North Canton, Ohio, it's an outstanding opportunity to own a professionally built street rod that's ready for car shows, weekend cruises, or simply enjoying the open road with classic American style. 1948 Buick Super, $37,000. Jonesville, Michigan. The 1948 Buick Super is one of those post-war American classics that effortlessly captures the elegance of a bygone era, and this example comes with a story that's just as interesting as the car itself. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior over a striking red interior, it delivers the kind of timeless style that made Buick one of America's premier luxury brands during the late 1940s. This Buick has been with the same family for decades. The original owner purchased it in the late 1960s and invested in a full restoration during the late 1970s. Since then, it has spent much of its life carefully preserved, and now, following the owner's passing, the family has decided it's time for someone else to enjoy this remarkable automobile. Power comes from Buick's legendary straight-eight engine, a smooth and dependable power plant that earned a reputation for refined performance. Paired with an automatic transmission, the car still starts, runs, moves forward and backward, and the brakes are fully operational, making it an excellent foundation for anyone looking to own and enjoy a genuine post-war American classic. According to the seller, the only known issue involves the power windows and the convertible top, which are currently not functioning because of a hydraulic system problem. Aside from that, the car appears to have been well cared for throughout its life and remains an impressive survivor with plenty of originality and character. Perhaps the most fascinating part of this Buick is the story surrounding Hollywood. It's rumored that the car was once considered for use in the Tom Cruise film Rain Man. However, when the studio reportedly wanted to repaint it yellow, the owner refused and chose to keep the car exactly as it was. Whether you're a movie fan or simply appreciate unique automotive history, it's a memorable detail that adds even more personality to this classic.